Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, prices are trying to rally a little bit. Overnight, there was a word out of China that they're trying to work on resolving the trade deal with U.S. The Commerce Minister said that the news that may not be a deal until the end of the year yesterday was simply inaccurate rumors. The minister said that he had no new information to release, but we did see that the Chinese invited the top two U.S. negotiators to Beijing before Thanksgiving. So we'll see what kind of unfolds, but it turned the stock market around to a higher trade. Beans are up 3 cents, corn's up a penny, and wheat's up about 2 cents. We'll also be watching export sales. Wheat's 2 to 500,000 tons, corn 4 to 900,000 tons, and beans 800 to maybe 1.4 million tons. Again, the bean market is near critical support at $9. The funds continue to take out their long position without a weather problem in South America and no deal yet. As far as the corn market is concerned, we took out the 370 support in the December. We're now testing the 365 support. And again, not a lot of bullish news there with export trade slow. And the farmer still has a lot of corn that left to sell in the marketplace. The fact that he's not selling has been helping the basis. Basis did pull back yesterday because of talk that maybe the farmer let a little corn go because he needed to pay some bills. As far as the wheat market is concerned, it held $5, trying to move up a little bit on talk of maybe there might be a little bit more export demand down the road for U.S. since we're competitive against Europe and maybe Russia. Overnight, Algeria bought EU wheat, though, which is a little disappointing, although Algeria doesn't really buy a lot from us. As far as the weather is concerned, the 1 week forecast for the Midwest is wet. It's wetter than what we had thought maybe a week ago. This is going to delay harvests and keep crops in the fields that have yet to be harvested. We did note that the USDA is starting their surveys, that they're trying to get final yield, acres, production, grain stocks as of December 1. It'll be interesting to see how they handle so much grain that's still unharvested and still in the fields with this January final crop report data. South American weather is good. I mean, most areas of Brazil and Argentina should see rain over the next 2 weeks. Funds yesterday, they were buyer of a small amount of wheat. They sold corn, beans, meal, and they continued to buy oil. We estimated that they about even in the wheat, short almost 150,000 corn. They whittled their long position in beans down to only 17,000, and they're approaching a near record long in soybean oil. So we'll see what the export sales data shows. We'll see what the weather looks like over the next 2 weeks. And then we'll also be watching for any news on trade issues with U.S. and China. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.